What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm bringing you along, showing you how I'm hilling up these potatoes. Well, I was doing some planting a little while ago, and I still have some castings, so I'm going to add that to this potato bed. Cool. Oh, I got snips in my pocket. Good. This guy's acting like a jerk. He's coming out. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. So now I just have to hill these guys up. I have the same soil that I used, the bag soil, and I amended with some compost. This one potato I didn't think was going to make it. Looks like it is growing, so that's a good thing. Okay, so that was 2 more of the 40-pound bags of the soil, plus about 6 milk crates full of compost that I pre-sifted. Seed potatoes are doing great. I'll go ahead and maybe quick stand over there so you can see the height difference on these. So these plants are coming up above my waist. I'm hoping that there's some potatoes and tubers forming in the ground. If you can see, I went ahead and added a bunch of leaves over the top of this green growth. Hopefully keep some moisture in, and if any of those tubers are coming up towards the soil surface, they can grow in the leaves and keep them out of the sun. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.